elephants. Big hands for Specs and all the crew here, the clowns from the Ringling Brothers and Barnum Bailey Circus. Thank you all for coming today. Hope you had a good time. Make sure you see one of the shows, and we'll see you back here next year.
Thank you. Once again, thank you everybody for joining us today at this Elephant Brunch. Once again, I'm Specs. This is Sean Dorr.